So you know how much I love the Mermade Double Waver. If you see me with my hair waved like this, it has been done with this, and I've used it for a few months now and I love it. But apparently one waving tool is not enough. So I bought this one. This is TYMO Rovy Compact. It's another waver, but they are slightly different. So both of my sides are done with each. I will demonstrate it in a minute, but let me just explain how they are different. So the Mermaid hair, when I bought it, it came in this size, which is the smaller one. The barrels are 2 inches, and then there was Max. The barrels were 2.25 inches, but I can see it on the UK side at the moment, the bigger one. Basically, the smaller the barrel, the tighter the waves. On a TYMO side, they said this has 2 inches barrels. Now, this is a double waver, which has just 2 barrels, but this one has 3 barrels. I hope you can see it. 2 on each side and 1 in the middle, which means that this one will give you more bend. Now, the plates of this one, the barrels, are longer than on this one. This is TYMO Rovy Compact. They do the normal one. I don't know how big it is. Again, the barrels are slightly bigger, but I am not sure if the plates are longer and bigger. Now, to operate them, very easy. The Mermaid has this little wavy line. You press and hold, and it will heat it up to 220 centigrade. I will wait till it heats up and I show you how to lower the temperature. Now the Rovy, I prefer controls on here. They are inside. When you plug it in, you probably can see it's got LCD display. It's off now, flash is off. To turn it on, there is an on button inside. You press and hold, and it will heat up. I have it set on 180, and you can regulate the temperature. It also has a timer. So when you clamp your hair, it goes for 6 seconds, then you move. But you can lower this time as well. So it's got here a button to lower the time, because if, for example, your hair is very thin, fine, you might not want to hold it for 6 seconds. You might want to hold it for less. Also, Rovy locks, so I can lock it, whereas this doesn't lock. It's not a big problem. I keep it in one of those silicone pouches from Amazon, but still it would be nice if it had a lock. So this one is much simpler in use. This one is more, it has more controls. So now to lower the temperature, I hope you can see this light. You press it once, you see the wave gone a bit lower, then press it down again, it's gone lower. So this is now on 180. And if you want to turn it off, you just press and hold. So they are both quite compact, both very easy to operate. Now let's see how different the waves are. Okay, so I am going to do this side with the Mermaid and this side with TYMO. I will put them both at the same temperature, 180 centigrade. Let me just section my hair, because we start from the bottom. I don't take my sections too thick. So the smaller the section, the more wavy it will be. The curls will be, or waves, tighter. And because I've got fine hair, especially at the front, I know this, I don't know how to do it any other way. I don't take one big section and then just take little sections out of it. I like to have each section already prepared. So I use so many clips. Right, this probably can have another section. And then I will spray each section with the Moroccan oil heat protector. Oh, by the way, I already done the back because, well, for time, and also I did it in my bedroom where I have mirror behind me and I can see what I am doing. So this one doesn't have a timer, so you just have to decide yourself how long you hold it. But you see how quick it is. There is not much to it. Now the first thing I can tell you with the Mermade is that the opening is much wider. It might not seem like this, but there is bigger gap between these two than between these. Also, this is bigger. It has a longer head, as you can see. So I can take wider sections and the sections don't fall out of my tool. Whereas with TYMO, sometimes if the section is too wide, my hair, I can't grab all the hair, or if I do, as I'm moving the tool down, my hair falls out. So here is this side. Lovely waves. Let's do this side now with the TYMO. So now you will hear after 6 seconds it will beep. Straight away you can see the waves are tighter and deeper. Sometimes I think that 6 seconds maybe is a bit too long, and sometimes I just don't let it go for 6 seconds. I can change the timer, but I just couldn't be bothered. Right, you can see straight away, look how tighter these ones are than these ones. And that's what I was hoping for with this tool, because I think, you know, after you waved or curled your hair, after an hour or so, the waves will relax a bit. So if they are not too wavy to start off with, they will relax even more. So it all really depends. What are you after? Okay, let's take this section down now, and we do the top right at the end. So I hope you can see the difference. It's not massive, but you can see these ones are a bit looser and these ones are much deeper. Also, you've noticed I do it right from my root because I like to have that lift at the root, but you don't have to. You can start your waves from a bit lower, so you don't have all these. But I love these little ridges because for days I get that volume in it. Remember that when you wave your hair will spring up, so it will be shorter. Obviously, because my sides are so short, I will be using these small extensions from Beauty Works. I will clip them in later. Here is the difference. There isn't that much. This one just gives you tighter curls. I am going to let this cool down for about 10 minutes and then I will come back. Okay, so my hair has cooled down now. What I do first is I put my fingers in my hair underneath and sort of break them up a bit with my fingers. Then I take the Kerastase oil. I've been loving this oil for a while now. Take a tiny bit, rub it in my hands and just run it, especially at the front where my hair is finer and tends to get a bit frizzy and fly away. I tell you, another difference I've noticed is that this makes my hair shinier than this one. I've noticed that actually the other day when I was waving my hair with it. I feel like the TYMO, I don't know if it's whatever the plates, the barrels are coated in, it gives a bit more shine, which is very difficult to get in bleached blonde hair. I take a bit more oil and go through the ends, especially at the front. And this is basically finished hair. Now I'm going to attach my extensions, because you see my hair at the front is quite short. It's like to my chin, but when you wave it, it springs back. And I've waved them as well. I don't remember now with which waver. Look at the difference that makes. And here is the finished look. As you can see, it doesn't make enormous difference. These still give you tighter curls because the TYMO creates more bends, because obviously it has 3 barrels. So I like them both. I probably will use this one a bit more if I want my hair to last longer, being curly, because of the tighter waves. But honestly, if you have this one, you don't need this one. And if you don't have neither, then hopefully this helped you make your decision. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.